Oh boy. Hello people, here we are once again. We finally came back from Serbia. Now we are in Munich, Germany, and we are on our way. Where's the ticket? We are on our way to go to summer again. So we're flying to Tenerife. Actually, we're flying from Munich to Madrid and then to Tenerife to climb the highest summit on Spain, which is Teide. And don't forget, once again, this video is sponsored by Best Travel, the best travel agency that can provide you the best flights and the best connections ever in all over the world. So don't forget to check their link there in the description. And once again, thank you Best Travel to sponsor this video and this cause. And how you feel about...
It's good to be back to the mountains actually. Let's do it.
Let's go then. We hope we'll go to summer again. We hope.
Ora, como diz o outro, estamos aqui aos Pacolê. A verdade seja dita, não é português, tem-se falar. Ora, o português. Okay, we are here, we go there. We just arrived to the airport of
Canary.
Tenerife, yeah.
Teide, Tenerife.
We can see Teide. When we were landing, we saw Teide. And it's 28 minutes walk to our first hostel. So
and then tomorrow we show whatever.
Let's go for our place, and it's like this.
So good morning everyone over there. Just to say that it's like 20 degrees or something in 6th of December. So we're pretty much enjoying and figuring out what we're gonna do today and on these next few days, because tomorrow we're climbing the mountain. So tomorrow we climb Teide. But yeah, it's kind of tricky because that's not that much public transportation. So we're figuring out if we're renting a car as well to sight all the island, or I don't know, whatever. You know, the thing that I most like on the island is actually the palm trees. Yeah, palm trees is the most exciting thing on the islands. I don't know why, but it's a fact.
So this is the really nice city center of Tenerife Island. We just launched. We checked the buses for tomorrow to go to the Teide mountain. So we pick up 2 buses to go to the cable car place, and then we go up there. Look around how it's beautiful.
Good morning everyone! We are now waking up on our couch surfer guy, whatever, and today it's the summit day. We're climbing Teide mountain today, so it's our 3rd beautiful day in Canary Islands. Bro, look at these palm trees, bro. It's palm trees everywhere. I love it. And look at this sunset. I will just explain what happened. This is the line, and Kostya and me were seated here on the branch, and we realized that the line kind of growed a lot. So Kostya sneaked into with 2 girls that speak English, and I just started to speak with them, and they sneak into the line. So now I'm gonna do pretty much the same. Let's see what is gonna happen. Kostya, I see you made new friends.
Yeah, of course, always.
What happened?
Just sharing our project.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay then.
Very impressed.
Nice to meet you. I'm Pedro.
Hi, I'm Claire. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Alexis.
Okay, so you are climbing the Tatum Mountain.
Kind of, yes.
We just crossed the checkpoint where you need to show your reservation. To do it, you need to go to the National Park of Teide. Like 2 or 3, 4 months ago, you check a free hour that you have from 1 to the 3 o'clock. You show them permission and you can get there to the mountain, to the summit. If you don't have this permission, you cannot go to the summit. So a lot of people just get here a few days ago, they wanted to climb and then don't have permission, so they cannot climb. Now we are at 3,000, almost 600 meters, and we go up to the summit.
Guys, literally looks like we're in Mars. I mean, I've never been in a volcano before, and we can see that island over there, all the ocean. Oh, it's so great. Goodness. I think we're almost there. This is the kind of moments when we stop and we kind of look around and we appreciate how magnificent the nature is and how blessed we are to be able. Wow, it's hot. Sometimes it comes that hot smell and wind from down there, and by that we share as well the same cause that brought us here. It's the same that brought us all over the other mountains, which is keep supporting what you guys saw in Serbia as well. So don't forget about to do your part in that, like gofundme.co/WeClimbForHope, and keep the slogan up, like we climb, you give up. It's here. So we made it till the highest point in Spain. This is not our last summit of Climb for Hope project, but it's before the last. So we're lacking now only one mountain to finish all European Union mountains, bro. Look, it's coming a lot of smog. That smoke, smelly smoke, like yeah, like really warm. And we're pretty much going down now. I just wanted to say once again, you know why we are here. You know why, actually. We just show you the last month videos of what is happening on Serbia with the refugees, what is happening in vocational training. All the money is going for exactly what you saw. So we keep climbing and we keep needing your support financially. We climb, you give up, support refugees. You saw they're starting to work. We're making difference in some people's life. So it's your part as well to do that. We climb, you give up, support refugees in gofundme.co/WeClimbForHope, and we're counting on you. Thank you for your support and keep supporting Climb for Hope. Ahora nos vamos a bajar. ¡Costia!
Mira tu amigo que te... No hagas eso.
From now on we just go and sightseeing and traveling the island. Yesterday we climbed the mountain and we went back home, pretty much that. We went to rent a car, so now we have a car rented already. And now we are in a park el Parque de García Sanabria. Constantino quer fazer uma filmagem romântica comigo. Vês que bonito? Olha, olha. Nós dois a ir ali por aí afora, juntos. Tu não és uma gaja, pá. Agora você começa a ficar. The funniest part of all of this, it's December. What day is today? Today is 8th of December. Shorts and t-shirt, a hell of a sun, beautiful island, palm trees everywhere, nice beach. This is a life of vacation, bro. Another beach that we stopped by. This is actually a nice beach to come because there's a lot of natural pools here. So swimming pool, but from the ocean, and it's natural made. Constantino! Gosh, she's screaming, bro, I'm swimming in December, in day 10 of December. Hello, people! So we are again in Canary Islands, Tenerife, and we are traveling more of the island. Now we are on the south of the island. Let's try not to fall here. And this is a life of vacation, bro. Whoa, look at Costa, huh? Are you enjoying?
It's so nice. Look at this pure water. Look, the blue water.
Well, this is what we do for a living, bro. We travel all over the world. Look at that. Look, unbelievable. Bro, we need to jump. Hey, this video is sponsored by Best Travel. Once again, the best travel agency that takes you to all amazing places all over the world, like Canary Islands. So link is in the description, check it out. Look at this one, look, what? This one was big, bro. Here comes the wave. Okay, I think I'm gonna get wet. Okay, maybe here. Oh, bro. I think this is too big now. Check the other one. Oh boy. It's so great, bro.
Two, three, let's go.
Woo!
Good morning, lovely people. So today is our last day in Canary Islands, in Tenerife, but not the last probably, because we will come back for sure. Look at this, man. ¿Cómo lo llamas? ¿Ah?
¿Se puede tocar? It's really hot, and that is the best thing we can do in December. It's to go to the beach again. That's pretty much that. The next beach, which is called La Montaña Roja. Roja. ¿Cómo es que? La Montaña Roja.
Eso.
¿Qué es eso? La Montaña Roja. Así se llama. Next beach. This is called, how is it? Los Roques. Los Roques se llama. Se llama esta playa Los Roques. Chico, ¿qué pasa?
Que te vaya bien, que te vaya bien. So there's one thing missing on the island. We wanted to come to this park. It's like a magic garden or something with a lot of trees and the path walk. But we're supposed to come during the day, but we just arrived in the night. Yeah, but it's foggy and it's cold.
Well, that's the price you pay when you live in the island on the middle of the ocean. So it's not sunny all the time. Middle of the ocean, bro. We are just leaving the car and leaving Canary Islands as well. Well, it was an incredible, amazing adventure journey. I loved Canary. Canary raised up on the top of my country list. Pretty much amazing. Definitely, I'm coming back. So now we're catching the plane and we'll go to Canary. No, not Canary. I wished. And we're going to Azores Islands. Our last destination is Portugal. And our last mountain is gonna be in Portugal, Pico in Azores. So yeah, what a big journey, bro. It's finishing. The video is sponsored by Best Travel, best agents company that you can ever find. Link is in the description. And we're saying goodbye from Canary on our way to Azores Islands.
New adventure.
Keep supporting. We're finishing, but keep supporting. GoFundMe.com/reclaim for hope. And we see you next video. Bye.